Hello everyone, my name is Pulkit. In last video, we learned about how to implement alert box in Flutter using Liquid UI, and today we will learn about how to implement batch. Let's head over to Liquid Expo or liquid.stackorient.com to learn more about lbatch. Here we are provided with some of the basic example to how to implement lbatch in your project. Without wasting any more time, let's start implementing lbatch. To start with batch, we have already imported Liquid UI to our project, and also we have wrapped our material app with the Liquid app. Let's start with the lbatch. You can see here we can have two types of different lbatch.icon, lbatch.text, and also we can simply implement it by using lbatch. lbatch holds many different type of properties we can see, and we can change these properties or we can use these properties accordingly to our requirement. Some of its features like size, type can be used to have different size and different type of lbatch. Let's include this lbatch inside a button, or we can say we are going to implement a button with a badge inside it. A button with badge, we can say. And here we are done with it. Now that's easy. Let me show you where we can actually use them, so that you can get an idea that where these badges are used actually. So we can see over here, this is an icon button with a badge. If we check our pub.dev, we can also see one of its example. So here we can see it is a badge with new written on it. Over we can say an icon button, or over a circular widget we can say. If we check over Google, we'll find many of such examples, like we can see over here. So here we can see these are icon buttons with badges over it. Try implementing all of these and link it with #madewithliquid. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. To learn more about Liquid UI and its component, just log on to Liquid Expo or liquid.stackorient.com. Thank you.